butterfly.
You might be able to get one more chance. Past these two trees.
What's that? Wait, I want to flip it. What's that?
Oh, I was going to say you got one more chance between these two trees, or after these trees. So you can get both of them.
Look at Half Dome on the backside there. Heaven on earth.
This is what what are you doing? Trying to go around again?
Yeah.
Oh, all right then.
Little 360 action.
Head on.
Wait.
I'm not doing anything.
I had to get a drink.
Probably not.
Hey, do you want one of these paddles? You gonna switch? Beth can take that little one.